A hybrid, or rescue, is essentially a combination between a fairway wood and a long iron. This buying guide will help you pick the right one for you. For decades, golfers struggled to hit the green from the rough from a distance, be it with a long iron or a fairway wood, so golf companies had to get clever to come up with a solution. The solution they came up with was the invention of a rescue or hybrid club. Many brands are now making iron sets from 5-iron down to pitching wedge, leaving gaps to be filled with hybrids. The most common type of hybrid is the wood style, often referred to as a utility, a hybrid or rescue. The long, hollow head design makes it easier to hit from tough lies. The narrow, smaller head means there's less club to get caught up in the long grass. Therefore, hybrids produce better contact from tough lies than either a fairway wood or a long iron. For players with a slightly slower swing speed, hybrids are a great option for getting the ball to stop on approaches into the green. Because hybrids are essentially long iron replacements, their lofts tend to mirror those of longer irons in sets. The majority of hybrids sit somewhere between 18 and 27 degrees of loft, but some hybrids come with even more loft to replace the mid-irons as well. Here's a top tip. Just because a hybrid has, say, 21 degrees of loft, doesn't necessarily mean it will go the same distance as a long iron with 21 degrees of loft. This is because other factors such as shaft length, construction and the materials used can influence the distance as well. One of the secrets to hybrids is shaft length. Typically, hybrids have a shaft length 2 to 3 inches shorter than a fairway wood of the same loft. Shorter shafts equal greater control. The majority of hybrids come fitted with a graphite shaft. This helps reduce weight and increase distance. Like drivers and fairway woods, a lot of hybrids are now offering adjustability. This means you can dial in the loft a degree or two either way. Another type of utility club is known as a driving iron. They're designed to produce low launching, low spinning ball flights and are typically suited to players with fast swing speeds, low handicappers or tall players. So a driving iron is a larger, more forgiving version of a long iron. The design may feature a cavity back or hollow head construction. Driving irons are ideal for tee shots on hard links courses or shorter, narrow courses where it's essential for accuracy off the tee. The majority of driving irons will come between 16 and 22 degrees of loft, mirroring the lofts of traditional 1, 2 and 3 irons. Unlike hybrids, most driving irons will come fitted with a steel shaft as standard. Steel produces less flex and therefore less dispersion, but the heavier, stiffer nature of steel means it's better suited to players with a decent swing speed. So, hybrid or driving iron, which one is best for you? Essentially, it comes down to where you're going to put the club into use. If you're looking to hit the club primarily off the tee and are comfortable launching the ball a little bit lower, then a driving iron is probably best for you. However, if you're looking for a club that's easier to hit than a long iron and something that you can use hitting into greens, then you may be better shopping for a hybrid. Here at Golf Warehouse, we have a fantastic range of hybrids and driving irons. So the best thing to do is come into store for a fun and free fitting and we'll see which one or both is best for you. We'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and also check out our awesome content over here. We'll see you soon.